So my name is Rhys Pridmore. I'm Programme Area Leader for Carpentry and Joinery, and I look after the day-to-day running within this department with a focus on the machine shop as well. Within Carpentry and Joinery, we do site carpentry route, the bench joinery, and then now with the infrastructure that we're just building, we're also looking to go down a furniture making route as well. So our old panel saw was very old, very outdated. It wasn't accurate. It was a bit gimmicky. We wasn't necessarily in the market to upgrade that. That wasn't on my priority list. But after going to see it in the showroom, it's one that we're most pleased with, just through accuracy, ease of cut, and a big thing for us is the health and safety side, the extraction system that we've had on it as well. So typically it's just manufactured boards. We don't have a standard size, and so we have varied sizes, but because we've got the Elcon, it's easy to set up, so it's very easy for our technicians to swap all the stops about and operate it safely. Also, it's very safe, so we can supervise learners in a safe environment and get them used to equipment what they're going to be using. The Elcon that was brought to our attention from Kyle ticked all the boxes straight away, especially with accuracy, and that especially the dust control. That's what sold it to us, the dust control. We was unsure of what we wanted because we had a budget for so many machines, and I think the team at Daltons, Kyle and everybody from the sales to the engineers, they've kind of hit home what we can and can't do, made it reasonable for us, and it's exactly what we want, especially for a FE college, ensuring that our learners are ready for industry, and it's going to maximise our capabilities as well.